Factor each trinomial into a product of two binomials. Check the result. So the first thing that we notice here is that the coefficient on x squared is 1. And when we have this situation, this is an easier situation for factoring into binomials, and we use an inspection method. And in this inspection method, we first identify the values of b and c. Alright, so by inspection, we see that b is 8 and c is 15. Second, find factors of c that add to b. So let's list the factors of c. Alright, so c is 15. The factors of 15 are 1 and 15, 3 and 5. Now we also want to make them add to b. We want them to add to 8. Notice that 1 plus 15 is 16. Now that's not what we want. And 3 plus 5 is 8, and that is what we want. So, step 3, we can rewrite the trinomial as a product of x plus question mark times x plus question mark, where the question marks are the numbers identified in step 2. So, what this tells me is, since the pair of numbers that we wanted were 3 and 5, because they summed to 8, that tells me I can write x squared plus 8x plus 15 as x plus 3 times x plus 5. And that is my answer. That is the two binomials. Now let's check the work. X plus 3 by x plus 5. Applying that FOIL method would be x squared plus 5x plus 3x plus 15. Combining the like terms is x squared plus 8x plus 15. So that checks out. My answer is x plus 3 by x plus 5. Alright, let's look at another example. Here we have x squared minus 5x plus 4. Notice again that we have a 1x squared, so we'll use this inspection technique. Now, we want numbers that, we identify that b is negative 5 and c is positive 4. So we need to find factors of 4. So my factors of 4 are 1 and 4, 2 and 2. Well, let's see, 1 plus 4 is 5. And 2 plus 2 is 4. Now, neither of those is a negative 5. Well, wait a second. What if we had negative 1 and negative 4? Well, negative 1 plus negative 4 is negative 5, and that's what we want. So that tells me then that the factored form of x squared minus 5x plus 4 is x minus 1 by x minus 4. Let's check. FOIL. All right, check by FOIL. x by x is x squared. Outers, x by negative 4 is negative 4x. Inners, negative 1 by x is negative 1x. I'll write the 1 on purpose here. And last, negative 1 by negative 4 is positive 4. Let me write that better. Combining the like terms yields x squared minus 5x plus 4, which checks out. Exercise C, we have negative 5x minus 24 plus x squared. Now the first thing we want to do here is rewrite this in descending order. So I'll rewrite this as x squared minus 5x minus 24. So I can clearly identify then that b is negative 5 and c is negative 24. So now I need to find pairs of numbers that multiply to negative 24. Now if we think about how negatives work, if we need a product of negative 24, that means we need different signs. So I'm going to start with 1 times negative 24. Let's see, then I'd have 2 times negative 12, 3 times negative 8, 4 times negative 6. Now let's find the sums. 1 plus negative 24 is negative 23. 2 plus negative 12 is negative 10. 3 plus negative 8 is negative 5. I'm going to stop there because that's what I want. I wanted the b value of negative 5. Now, suppose, and it's not in this example, but what if b was positive 5? If b was positive 5, well then I would just change the signs on the numbers. If I had negative 3 times positive 8, notice that negative 3 plus 8 is positive 5. So that's an important detail. If we have a different sign on b, we can just change the signs on that pair of numbers. Alright, so then what this tells me is x squared minus 5x minus 24 can be written in its factored form as x plus 3 by x minus 8. Alright, so there's my factored form. I guess I really shouldn't have. Let's use orange there. Alright, so that's my factored form. Let's check with FOIL. So x by x is x squared, x by negative 8 is negative 8x, 3 by x plus 3x, and the last 3 times negative 8, negative 24. Combining the like terms gives x squared minus 5x minus 24. That checks out, and I can be confident in my factored form.